We got independence in the year 1947. It means this incident took place long before the independence was achieved. बहुत पहले आजादी से हुआ था 1919 13 अप्रैल 1919। ठीक है, उस समय हमारे देश में एक एक्ट लागू हुआ था जिसको कहते हैं रॉलेट एक्ट। ठीक है, इसका विरोध हो रहा था सब जगह, क्योंकि इसमें यह था कि कई लोग एक जगह इकट्ठे नहीं हो पाते थे, नहीं होने दिया जाता था। तो इसमें क्या किया कि गांधी जी वाज कमिंग टू पंजाब एट दैट टाइम, लेकिन अंग्रेजों को ये डर लगा कि गांधी जी अगर पंजाब पहुंच जाएंगे तो लोग उनसे इन्फ्लुएंस होंगे और ये इस एक्ट के खिलाफ लोग उठने लगेंगे, तो उन्हें रास्ते में ही गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया था। लेकिन जब लोगों को पता चला कि गांधी जी गिरफ्तार हो चुके हैं तो क्या हुआ, लोगों में और गुस्सा आ गया, एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ एक्सेप्टिंग द एक्ट्स दे स्टार्टेड रिवोल्टिंग अगेंस्ट इट विद इमेंस फायर। लोग और ज्यादा नाराज हुए। उस समय जनरल डायर अपनी सेना को लेकर पंजाब अमृतसर, स्पेशली अमृतसर पहुंच गए। उन्होंने ये संदेश जारी कर दिया कि अब ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग एक जगह इकट्ठा नहीं होंगे, कोई असेंबलीज नहीं होंगी, कोई गैदरिंग्स नहीं होंगी। लोगों को ये बात पसंद नहीं आई, क्योंकि उनका मेन फेस्टिवल बैसाखी जो आ रहा था 30 अप्रैल को। तो क्या किया, लोगों ने कहा कि हम कोई वायलेंस नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन हम बैसाखी जरूर सेलिब्रेट करेंगे और हम सब मिलके जलियांवाला बाग, जो कि अमृतसर गोल्डन टेम्पल के बहुत नजदीक एक पार्क है छोटा सा, वहां लोग इकट्ठा हुए थे। उस पार्क के चारों तरफ एक दीवार थी और केवल एक छोटा सा गेट था जहां से लोग बाहर निकल सकते थे या अंदर जा सकते थे। ठीक, तो सारे लोग पार्क में बहुत पीसफुल गैदरिंग कर रहे थे। They were having their assembly, they were having their celebration, but all of a sudden, General Dyer came over there with his huge army. जनरल डायर अपने बहुत सारे सैनिकों को लेकर वहां आया और उसने एक लौता गेट जो उस पार्क में था उसे बंद करवा दिया और सारे लोगों पे बहुत फायरिंग स्टार्ट कर दी। He started shooting them blindly। और इस फायरिंग में बहुत सारे निर्दोष लोग, बहुत सारे आदमी, बहुत सारी औरतें, छोटे बच्चे, they died। कोई भी गेट से बाहर नहीं निकल पाया। But the most tragic incident was that there was a big well, एक बड़ा कुआं था, खाली कुआं। लोग अपनी जान बचाने के लिए इस कुएं में कूद गए। They didn't know they will never be able to saved by jumping into the well। और वो कुआं भी लोगों से भर गया। So it was really a tragic incident in the Indian history। इस इंसिडेंट के बाद हमारे देश के लोगों में बहुत गुस्सा भर गया अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ। And we have decided now we will not be under the control of Britishers anymore। We will throw out the Britishers from our country। इसके बाद हमारे देश में जगह जगह पे अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ बहुत सारे मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हुए। And we know the result। Ultimately in 1947 we were successful to throw out Britishers from our country। Yes everyone? And
which is largely popular among Sikh and Hindu communities. Mostly, people of Punjab and Haryana celebrate it with great, immense intensity and joy. Baisakhi marks the start of the harvest season in the North India, especially Punjab. Devotees visit gurudwaras and distribute prasad and offer prayers to God. So people celebrate Baisakhi with full excitement and dance around bonfire in the evening.
Good morning everyone. Ambedkar Jayanti, which is observed on 14th April, is indeed an auspicious day for all the Indians, as on this day Bhimrao Ambedkar ji was born. He actively worked for Dalit as well as marginalized sections of our society and fought for their rights. He was a political leader, jurist, anthropologist, teacher, economist. Above all, he played a central role in making our constitution. He is also known as the father of Indian Constitution. Bhimrao Ambedkar is the most influential figure in Indian history. No wonder the celebration of his birthday takes place in such pride in the form of Ambedkar Jayanti and will always remain alive in the pages of history and the heart of every Indian.
Very nice. Give a big hand for all.
My name is Arohi Vikram Singh. I am the student of class 5. Today I will tell you about a very sad tragedy happened in Indian history, that is Jallianwala Bagh massacre. On 13th April 1919, lot of people have gathered to celebrate Baisakhi in Jallianwala Bagh. And because of rolling tag, it was a rule in which not more than 2-3 people can gather together. So, a British officer, General Dyer, came and closed the only door of Jallianwala Bagh massacre and set his army and set them to fire. Thousands of people were dead and equal amount of them were wounded. This was a very sad tragedy.
I study in class 10. Today I am going to tell about Vaisakhi. Vaisakhi is the festival of Hindus and Sikhs. Vaisakhi is celebrated on 14 April every year. Vaisakhi is also known as Harvest Festival. Thank you and happy Vaisakhi. Very hearty good morning to one and all present over here. I, Shakshi Gautam, of class 3rd, is going to deliver a speech on Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar on account of his birthday. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution. He wanted to remove inequality and discrimination. He wanted to provide education to all people of our country. He wanted the removal of caste system, untouchability, equality on opportunity, etc. The Indian Constitution was made on 9 December 1946 to 26 November 1949. It takes 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. The Indian Constitution is our national book. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is a Buddhist activist. He is also known as the India's Godfather. And we celebrate our Indian Constitution Day on 26 November. I also want to deliver a thought. One pen is more powerful than 100 swords. Thank you everyone. Jai Bhim, Jai Bharat, Jai Samvidhan.
Good morning everyone. My name is Abhay Kamal. I am student of class 3rd. Today I will speak some lines about Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, as known as Baba Sahab, he born on 14th April 1891. His father name was Ramji Maloji Sakpal. His mother name was Bhima Bai Sakpal. He is a father of Indian Constitution. He is a symbol of knowledge.